Hello, this video today I will guide you how to remove Sublime Text 3 completely in Windows 10. Okay, so now let's get started. And here, this is the Sublime Text I'm using on my PC, and now I want to remove it. Go to Control Panel and go and uninstall or change a program, and select the Sublime Text. Click on Uninstall button on the top here. So here the Sublime Text has been removed out of this PC, but this is not completely. Okay, and here I will guide you how to delete it completely. Go to the C drive and the user account, and here is the admin account, and go to the app data roaming, and you scroll down and select the Sublime Text 3. Okay, so in this folder it contains 3 parent folder. Okay, and now just go ahead and back to the roaming and delete the Sublime Text folder here. And after that, all of the configuration before will be brought back to the default. Okay, cool. Yes. We have another way to open the app data here. You can access it over the run window. Yes. Go to roaming and scroll down to find the Sublime Text folder. Okay, cool. And I think that's all for today. And after, if you need this video, you know how to remove the Sublime Text completely on the Windows PC. Okay, thank you, bye bye, and see you later.